Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust Fiat 500 headlights. First, park your car on a flat surface about 25 feet from a wall. Make sure your tire pressure is correct, as this affects headlight aim. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver and possibly a Torx bit, depending on your specific model. This preparation ensures you get the most accurate and effective headlight adjustment for safer driving. Now, open your hood and look at the back of each headlight unit. You'll find two main adjustment screws. One screw controls the horizontal aim, moving the beam left or right. The other screw adjusts the vertical aim, moving the beam up or down. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with these screws before making any changes. With your car 25 feet from the wall, it's time to adjust. For vertical alignment, turn the appropriate screw to bring the top of the low beam cutoff line to about 2 inches below the center of the headlight. For horizontal alignment, adjust the other screw so the brightest part of the beam is directly in front of the headlight. Make small turns, about 1/4 of a turn at a time, and recheck. Once you've made your adjustments, double-check both headlights to ensure they are aimed consistently. Take your Fiat 500 for a short drive at night to confirm the new settings provide good visibility without blinding oncoming drivers. If you're still unsure or encounter any difficulties, it's always a good idea to consult a professional mechanic for assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.